Hollywood Rip Ride Rockit is the worst roller coaster at Universal Orlando. There, I said it. You can disagree, and that's fine, but I have two reasons to back up this claim. Before we get into that, I don't believe this is the worst coaster ever built. In fact, when this coaster opened, it was pretty ahead of its time. Being able to pick a song to listen to while riding a roller coaster in 2009 was pretty neat. However, I do think the novelty of this ride has worn off a little bit, but it leads into the first reason why I don't like this ride: the song selection. And yes, I probably sound like a hypocrite, and yes, I am fully aware the secret codes exist, but even then, getting the menu to load doesn't work half of the time. I knew about the song codes for a few years now, and the first time I ever used a song code was actually a few weeks ago. I used code 301, which is floated on by Modest Mouse, if you're curious. Towards the end of summer of 2023, the official song list was drastically reduced. Previously, riders were able to select from 30 different songs across 5 genres: rock, pop, country, rap, and electronica. Now, there are only 5 songs, one for each genre, and in my opinion, is a bit off the mark. I did not realize My Chemical Romance is a classic rock metal fusion band. The odd thing about this decision is that I'm almost positive if you didn't pick a song, the ride would randomly select a song from the list for you. So I don't see the point of decreasing the official selection list. If you have any theories onto why Universal decided to remove a lot of songs, please let me know in the comments. I'm very curious. The final and most important reason why I think Hollywood Rip Ride Rockit is the worst roller coaster at Universal Orlando is the chain lift. I mean, just look at it. This is not enjoyable at all. There's a reason why most coasters don't have a 90-degree chain lift. I rarely ride this coaster due to the chain lift itself, and to back my claim up, the worst case scenario for this ride happened back in November of 2023. People got stuck on the chain lift for almost an hour, and I think we can end the video here, because I think this happening proves why this is the worst coaster at Universal Orlando.